Hi everyone. So this video is about how to apply in Google off campus. So what you should do is you should go onto the career site of Google. Okay. Um, the first thing you should choose here is search jobs. So here you would be able to see all the jobs that Google is offering right now. So in case if you are in India and you want to apply for India locations, so first of all choose India as the location. So what this will do is it will filter out jobs that have India as the location. For example, here you can see this is a job with location of Bangalore, Karnataka. Same ways API management engineer with Bangalore, Karnataka again. Okay. Let's say you want to apply for an intern. So this is an intern which you can apply for. So all the students who are looking out for interns, please apply. Google is hiring, and you can see it is for Bangalore location. Okay. In case you want to apply for a SD1 or an SD2 role, so what you can do is you can search software engineer, and you would be able to see all the software engineering roles that Google is offering in India. Okay. Uh, Again, so let's pick up this. So they are looking for minimum qualifications of bachelor with 1 year of experience, and you can click on learn more to see more. By the way, if you guys look at this, do not look at this preferred qualifications. Why? Because minimum qualification is a bachelor degree. So in case you have a bachelor degree, please go ahead and apply. Okay. uh, Same ways you have your skills qualification degree filters here. You can play around with different filters and check out different jobs and interns. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next one.